They had major fitment problems with the new fenders.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
I have a Cadillac Escalade here. This one got hit in this right front corner. It's getting a new used fender, which I already bolted on there. And these are actually, in most cases, these particular GM trucks, it's a lot better to get a used fender than a new one because they had major fitment problems with the new fenders. And so whenever you get a used one, you know it's actually gonna fit right. The new ones are always an issue on these things. I got the fender fit up, and then I have to repair the hood right here, which is what I'm gonna dive into right now. I'm gonna straighten that out, and then I will get the hood and the fender all primed up. So this is coming out, but I'm having a hard time getting this last little bit out right here. And the problem is, if this is just in a little bit right here, it's causing a knot right here, because when this goes in, it's causing this to sit up high right here, kind of like a crown. And I can't get that last little bit to come out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna weld this small tab on right here and just barely hit it with my slide hammer. And if that comes out just a little bit, then I'll be able to knock down this crown right here. So I just need to get a little bit out of it. Now, it's not gonna take much, just a little bit of effort.